And as everyone knows, in Jee Advanced 2019, there were a lot of multi-correct questions present in both papers. So because of this, I was able to perform well in that aspect also. Hi, I am Tejas Bhalla, a student of 4-year classroom program upgraded to Pinnacle 2-year integrated program of Fiitjee Mumbai Seawood Center. I have secured AIR 109 in Jee Advanced 2019. I am an NTSC and KVPY scholar. Alongside this, I have also cleared the first level of various Olympiads such as NSEA, NSEP, NSEC and RMO. I have also cleared INAO and have attended the OCSC in astronomy. The various challenges I faced during my JEE preparation were my inability to achieve results consistently and my addiction to games. To overcome the difficulty of not being able to achieve results consistently, I was advised by my parents and teachers to not get deterred by the results and to take them in my stride and work extra hard to perform better and overcome those difficulties. My addiction to games had majorly affected me during the initial stages of 11th standard, and as a result, I realized that I had to stop and remove myself from the games. My parents were very supportive and helped me slowly isolate myself from video games. By the time 12th standard came, I had no wish to even play games and was focused completely on my studies. In JEE Advanced, the main problem that happens is I was not able to accustom myself to the multi-correct type questions. To this extent, my teachers helped me a lot by giving me various different questions of multi-correct type and helping me understand how to solve these questions both quickly and accurately. And as everyone knows, in JEE Advanced 2019, there were a lot of multi-correct questions present in both papers. So because of this, I was able to perform well in that aspect also. The critical points to achieve success in JEE Advanced are firstly and most importantly, exam temperament. In the end, the performance during your exam is what matters. So if you're not able to perform, it doesn't matter how much you had studied or how well you had studied it. Exam temperament will ensure that you do not end up getting deterred or wasting time by trying one question which you know you'll be able to do, but you also know the fact that it will take you a lot of time. So in this manner, having a right exam temperament will help people succeed to a very, very large extent. Secondly, isolating the syllabus of JEE Advanced and understanding what topics are essential to success in JEE Advanced is very important. The syllabus of JEE Advanced is very specific, and analyzing that will help students understand what topics they need to focus on more. By understanding that, they'll be able to focus on those topics more during the last few weeks of preparation, which end up becoming very clinical during the exam itself. This occurred with me. Many topics are present in inorganic chemistry which a student has to study for JEE mains. But because of JEE Advanced having such a specific syllabus, those topics do not have any relevance and become redundant. As a result, students can focus on those topics very specifically which they know which will come in the exam and need to stress on. This will certainly help students get better success and have a better rank. My gurus were very clinical in helping me achieve success in JEE Advanced. They were always ready to guide me whenever I needed any assistance, and were especially helpful when I was in cases of demotivation or was not able to perform as well as I expected to. They always used to help me in various factors by providing me various sheets of questions whenever I was lacking in a particular topic or needed to perfect a particular topic. As a result, this all was very clinical in helping me achieve a good result in JEE Advanced. The organized structure of study at Fiitjee is very useful and helpful to the students who are studying at it. Phases are perfectly planned and help students understand the topic perfectly before they proceed to a new topic. The phase tests conducted at the end of the phase are conducted on an all India level and help a student understand his performance and his position at an all India level. The fortnightly tests which are conducted are also very useful in helping one to gauge how far one has understood one topic and to understand what they need to do better. The course material at Fiitjee is very detailed and helps students achieve a good rank. The AITS and AI2TS, which are held on a national level, help students be exposed to different types of questions which are on a slightly higher level, which will definitely help students when it comes to JEE Advanced. All in all, the detailed structure of teaching at Fiitjee helps students achieve great success in JEE Advanced. My message to future JEE aspirants would be to not get affected by their peers and how well they are scoring or how poor they are scoring relative to you. One should never be complacent when comparing the students how they have fared who are nearby to him, because in the end JEE Advanced is conducted on a national level and you cannot compare how students will be on a national level. Nor should one get disheartened when one does not perform as well as expected, because life will always have ups and downs. It's essential though for you to ensure that the ups are far more frequent than the downs. So JEE Advanced, alongside testing one's knowledge, also tests one's mental stability. And as a result, one should always have a good mental stability and never be disheartened or become complacent irrespective of what happens. I dedicate my success in JEE Advanced to God, my parents, my teachers, my classmates, and the systems at Fiitjee.